Hello and welcome to Easy Finance News, where we make financial news make sense. I'm your host, Fiona Finance.
I'm Lionel Ledger. Today, we have some exciting news about a massive investment that's set to revolutionize the tech industry in Sweden.
That's right, Lionel. Microsoft has announced a staggering 33.7 billion Swedish crowns investment, which is approximately $3.2 billion, to expand its cloud and artificial intelligence infrastructure in Sweden over the next 2 years.
This investment comes as the demand for generative AI skyrockets, prompting tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon Web Services to build data centers across Europe.
Microsoft isn't new to this game. They've previously invested in data centers in the UK, Germany, and Spain. And according to Microsoft President Brad Smith, we can expect more announcements this fall.
The plan includes deploying 20,000 of the most advanced graphics processing units at their Swedish data center sites in Sandviken, Gävle, and Staffanstorp.
These GPUs will not only be from NVIDIA but may also include semiconductors from AMD and even some of Microsoft's own chips.
It's not just about hardware, though. Microsoft is committed to training 250,000 Swedes with AI skills across various sectors within 3 years.
And let's not forget their commitment to sustainability. Microsoft has procured nearly 1,000 megawatts of renewable energy in Sweden.
Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson sees AI as a tech transformation and a catalyst for the country's strategy moving forward, especially after successfully fighting inflation.
Indeed, Lionel. Goldman Sachs even sees the AI boom as a near $1 trillion opportunity for the sector. Now, let's put this news in context, and let's see how this investment could impact Microsoft's financial statements. But remember, these are just possibilities and not guaranteed outcomes.
Absolutely, Fiona. First, let's look at the income statement. If Microsoft finances this investment with its earnings, it could lead to a decrease in net income in the short term due to the increased expenses.
However, in the long term, if the investment leads to increased sales of Microsoft's cloud and AI services, we could see an increase in revenues and potentially net income.
Now, onto the balance sheet. Regardless of whether the investment is financed with earnings, debt, or equity offerings, we'll see an increase in assets due to the addition of the new data centers.
If the investment is financed with debt, there will be an increase in liabilities. This would also lead to an increase in interest expenses. If it's financed with equity offerings, there will be an increase in shareholders' equity.
Finally, the cash flow statement. The investment will result in an outflow of cash in the investing activities section. If the investment is financed with earnings, there will be a decrease in cash from operating activities.
If it's financed with debt, there will be an increase in cash from financing activities due to the borrowed funds. If it's financed with equity offerings, there will also be an increase in cash from financing activities due to the funds raised.
In summary, this investment could have significant impacts on Microsoft's financial statements. But it's important to remember that these are potential impacts and actual results will depend on a variety of factors.
That's right, Lionel. And that's why it's always important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
That's all for today's report. For more details on this story and other financial news, make sure to subscribe to Easy Finance News.
Don't forget to like and share this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.